Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted icon and shortcut in Windows 7, 8 or 10. So very easy guys. Firstly click on start, type here File Explorer, open File Explorer. After click on this PC, click on C drive. After guys click on user, and after guys click on view, click on options, click on options. Guys click on view. Here option show hide file folder and labs. So check this box, show hide hidden files folder and labs. After clicking on apply, click on OK. After click on edit, right click in taskbar area. After click on task manager, click on details. Here guys option Explorer ESC. So guys click it, click on end task. Do you want to end Explorer EXE? So click on end procedures. Guys again click on file, right click and click on run new task. Type here EXPLORER dot EXE. Click on OK. That is guys. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to fix corrupted icon and shortcut in Windows 10, 7, 8, 10 or 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.